Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Our mission at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos and we teach you how to fix your car for free. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Today's video, guys, will show you how to test secondary air pump on Chevy Opel Ecotec engine, guys. If you have the Ecotec engine with a secondary air pump on Chevy and Opel, as you know, both of them share the same engines, we'll show you how to test it. Now, if you guys have an engine light and a code that relates to secondary air pump, always check your pump before you decide to buy one. It's super simple to test it, because otherwise, guys, you might just waste your money. It could be a fuse, it could be a relay, it could be something simple as a wiring. And we will have videos how to diagnose the system, so make sure, guys, you check it out and subscribe to the channel. So, every car that we get, guys, at the shop, we'll be making at least 200 videos on it. Our goal is to save you guys as much money as we can by teaching you guys how to fix your car for free. So, this is the pump right here. Let me explain about the design and how simple that thing is to test. This fan right here, guys, it's important to never ever stick your finger, because if you activate it, okay, it can cut your finger off. Now, usually one side it sucks air, and on the other side it blows the air out. It sucks air from the air filter box usually, and it blows it in the exhaust of the vehicle. That way the exhaust can warm up faster, reduce emissions, and improve fuel economy. That's what they state. The pump usually consists of two wires. Okay, you can see one black, okay, right here, one red one. So the black one in most cases is negative, red one is positive. All we need is a 12-volt battery now. Okay, right here, this is the battery, and I'm going to get some alligator clips as well. Okay, those right here. You can check out all that listed in the description of the video below. So I'll connect the yellow clip to the positive red wire. Okay, red wire, yellow clip. Okay, let me connect it. Good, perfect. Now I'll get the green one and connect it to the negative black one. So green one will be connected to the car battery here. Okay, and when I touch the positive here, that pump should start spinning. Keep your fingers out and you'll feel air coming out of one side. Listen now. Okay, you can see how powerful that thing is, and if I put a quote or something, you can definitely feel the power of that pump, guys. So definitely a good pump, no need to replace this one. So if you have a Chevy Opel vehicle, guys, and you want to test your pump, that's how you do it. Thank you for watching. Hopefully, guys, the video was helpful and we were able to save you money. We guys have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels. Check them out. We have videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.